Hey guys, this is Ryan from Chicago. I'm in the beginning stages of starting my own cleaning business. I just went to the Mastermind offsite at the San Diego Green Clean headquarters in Albuquerque. Had an amazing time. I just wanted to talk about it a little bit. It's what I thought about it. I think it was a tremendous value in ways I don't think I could have even predicted how valuable it's been to me and how valuable it will be going forward. I think we basically spent 3 days, just getting to know everyone from the group, which is other cleaning company owners at all stages of the game, which was just awesome. Making friends, sharing meals, just hanging out was so cool to get to kind of hear the challenges that other people have. The successes they have, like what brought them those successes, which is so cool. Getting to hang out with the Brandons is incredible. They're such cool guys. They'll answer all your questions. Getting to meet the whole office staff was amazing, from their leadership to their operations people, and their amazing customer experience teams who also do the sales. Just seeing how all locked in they all are together. It's really incredible to see an operation of that scale. You just get to ask a million questions. You're going to come in with some, and you're going to come up with a million more as you're there. Just seeing how everything goes. It's wild. And just being at the headquarters where watching the magic happens, where the routine as the cleaners come in the morning, we got to see that, how they got prepped and headed out for the day in all the cars. We got to watch them all leave. And we got to see how they do the laundry in the back, all the equipment and supplies. Talked about that for a long time, how they kind of grew into that situation. We got to witness an actual cleaning at a house, where we got to observe, ask our questions, compare notes with everybody, with all the other cleaners, kind of see like how they do it and stuff, and just and actually asking the cleaners, like, hey, why are you doing it like that? As well with the other cleaning company owners, like saying like, oh, we do it like this, but like, yeah, that's it's a good idea there. Sprinkled throughout the 3 days was like these super valuable presentations, which were incredible. Some of the things we got to learn about was like how to build an expert recruiting pipeline. That was amazing. How to set attainable goals and follow through on them. Some mindset and leadership stuff there. We got to have a chat and presentation from their CFO, talking about bookkeeping and accounting practices, which was incredible. We had to do a deep dive into marketing with Ty from Tidier Sales. Talked about some just clever and inexpensive ways to drive leads, as well as getting into the nitty-gritty of Facebook ads a little bit, just kind of diving in there. I think the biggest value for me was just being able to learn such a massive amount in a short time. It's just something you can't do any other way, but just being with a bunch of people and networking and masterminding, and just everyone's got the same common goal. So that's, you're all going to be talking about that stuff for 3 days straight. It's just so much information, and so much value there. Just getting all your questions answered and getting to go back home with clear goals to take action on. I just think everybody loved it, and I know I'm looking forward to keeping in contact with everybody that I met, and just supporting each other. We were talking about that, like how we're excited to be doing that. So all right, that's all I just wanted to say. Just thank you so much to everybody in the Brandons. That was incredible.